Hey guys, welcome to Basic today. Sorry about yesterday, we were having some technical difficulties, but we're going to continue to work on these picture graphs that I posted yesterday. And the thing I want you guys to really focus on when you see a graph is a couple things. You want to look at the title. And so for this one, the title would be right up here. It said lightning strikes in 5 towns during a recent storm. So you're going to understand the graph is about lightning strikes. And there's going to be a key, and you can see this lightning bolt equals 3 lightning strikes in the graph. So each one of these symbols is going to equal 3 lightning strikes. Yesterday, I showed you guys a bus. It was about buses, and each bus represented 2 buses. So it's not always that this lightning strike or the bus is going to equal 1 bus. That's why the key is important. In this one, it's going to be 3 lightning strikes. Okay, so first question, if we were doing this, it says, which town had the most lightning strikes? The good thing is you're still going to look for which town has the most lightning bolts. And looking at this one, it looks like it's going to be Bigton. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 those lightning strikes, and each one of those equals 3. So it says which town had the most. It would be Bigton, and it's got 7 of them times 3, so it means they had 21 lightning strikes. Okay. The next one, which town had the fewest? So we're just going to look for which town has the fewest symbols. Looks like it's Carlton, and it's got 3 symbols of a lightning strike, and each symbol represents 3, so Carlton's going to have 9 lightning strikes. Okay. The third one, how many lightning strikes were there all together in the 5 towns? Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're going to count up all the symbols. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. It's going to be 26 times 3, because there's 26 all together, and each of those symbols equals 3. So 26 times 3 is going to be 78. So there were 78 lightning strikes all together. Okay. Now this one actually you compare 2 towns, Bigton and Carlton. So how many more lightning strikes were there in Bigton than Carlton? So Bigton had 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, so that's 21. Carlton had 1, 2, 3, so that's 9. So 21 minus 9 is going to be 12. So there were 12 more lightning strikes in Bigton than in Carlton. And the last one's going to ask you, another town, Johnson, had 15 lightning strikes. Which towns in the picture graph had the same number of lightning strikes? So we're going to look for other towns that had 15, and that would be 5 of these symbols, because they're equal 3. So Littleton had 5, and so did Smallton. So the answer would be both Smallton and Littleton. Okay, so just to kind of go back over this again, the first thing you want to do is look at the title of the graph, lightning strikes in 5 towns, and then the key right here. Okay, let's go on and do another one here. And this one is, we're going to look at the title, chairs that need repair at B. Pascal. PS stands for public school. Okay, and there's 5 different classrooms in this school, and in this case, the chair, the symbol or the key, each chair equals 1 chair. So this is just each chair in the graph is going to represent 1 chair. The last one, the lightning strike, represented 3, and what we did yesterday, the bus represented 2. But in this case, the chair is going to represent 1. That's why it's always important to kind of look at the key. So this one's going to be 1 chair equals 1 chair. So this one, what classroom had the most chairs that need repair? And we're just going to look, it looks like classroom 1 has the most, and it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Classroom 3, it looks like there's one less chair. So classroom 1 needs the most repairs. 18 chairs need to be repaired in classroom 1. Okay. And what classroom has the fewest chairs that need repair and how many? Okay. This one looks like classroom 4 has the least amount of chairs that need repair. We're going to count these up. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So classroom 4 only needs 9 chairs repaired. Okay. Third one. If 6 parents volunteered to help repair chairs, how many would each parent repair if they repaired the same number of chairs? Okay, so what you're going to have to do for this one, you're going to have to count up all the chairs and then you would divide by 6 because there's 6 parents. So we'd have to count up all the number of chairs in each classroom. So classroom 1, I think we said we had 18. So 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. So there's 66 total chairs. Okay, and each parent's going to help prepare 6. So what that would be, it would be 66 total chairs divided by the 6 parents. And when you do that, you're going to get they'd each repair 11 chairs. So that one is a division problem, okay? So that one's just counting up all the chairs, and the total number is 66, then you divide by 6 parents. Okay. So the fourth one, how many more chairs need repair in classroom 3 than classroom 4? So classroom 3, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. In classroom 4, there's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 17 minus 9 is going to be 8 chairs. So there's 8 more chairs in classroom 3 that need to be repaired. Okay. And the last one, if there are only 5 chairs in each classroom that's repaired, how many would have repaired already? So you're going to count up total number of chairs. Okay, remember there's only 5 in each classroom. So one good thing to do would be if you just circled, if you just crossed out 5 chairs in each classroom. So if you want to do it, just put an X through 5 in each classroom. And then the total number left is going to be how many have already been repaired. In this case, it's going to be 41 chairs. Okay, because we know there's 66 total. So 41 have been repaired. That would leave 25. Okay, so this is just an important skill because you might see graphs on the science portion of the TASK test, also on the social studies. I think when some of our students just took the latest TASK test, they said some of the most difficult parts were like interpreting graphs. So we're going to continue to work on graphs, for the next couple of weeks because, like I said, this is kind of a crossover. We're doing it in math, but it certainly comes up in social studies and science. So we want you guys to be familiar with different types of graphs, and picture graph is a pretty common one. So I'll go ahead and I will post a couple more practice picture graphs in Google Classroom Day, let you guys work on that. All right, you guys, Casey's going to do intermediate and advanced today. We'll pick up with some social studies and science tomorrow. So have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you guys soon.